Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. So today I'm discuss for the React ES6 array methods. Okay, so in this array method there are many JavaScript array methods. Okay, so here in this session for the array methods, for I am just introduced in this the ES6. For you first use the find method. Okay, so in this the find for the array prototype method. Okay, so it's let's for you iterate through an array and get the first element back that causes given callback function to return true. Okay, so now I am create for the find method. Okay, so first time insert the var for numbers and then is equal for uses the 1 2 and 3. Okay, and now I'm create for the var use the odd number. Okay, and here I am insert from is the numbers dot use the find array method. Okay, and here first time insert for x and then is equal for the x modular 2. Okay, and then double equal 1. Okay, and now I am create for the console dot log method and insert from the odd number. Okay, so now I am create use the find method and save this code, and now I'm going for the terminal. Okay, and open for the new terminal, and here I'm insert from in this the command. Okay, so first I'm type for the node and then type for the full file name array.js. Okay, so now insert for into the odd number print for 1. Okay, so this is the output. And next one I am create for use the find index method. Okay, so in the find index method we have a similar to find, but instead of returning the element that is matched and it's return the index of the element. Okay, so here now I'm use for the var for variables for in this number, and here I'm just use for the find index method. Okay, the find for index method, and now I'm in the condition for the same as, and here is the odd number printed. So now save this code and again print in terminal. I am type for the node for array.js. Okay, so now here is print for the 0 because it return the index of the value for on or as the output for the 0. Okay, so in this session I'm completed, and now I'm create for the most important for the ES6 for the map. Okay, so in this map for the most useful in the React in the dot map method array method. Okay, so the dot map method is allow you to the run a function or each item in the array for returning a new array as a result. Okay, so now in React I'm used for the array method can be useful to generate list. Okay, so first of all I am in this session first you create the var, and now I'm used for the my map. Okay, and here I'm used for the new map. Okay, and now I create the parenthesis. Okay, so here I insert for the my map method dot create the set, and here I'm insert for the key is 1. It's the inside from the double quotations. Okay, and now I am first to use the Bangladesh, and now in this code I'm used for the ons mode. So now we're going for the copy and paste for this total 5 row. Okay, so here I'm is update change for the key value. It's 3 and it's 4 and last one is the 5. Okay, so now I'm insert from the country name. So here first time use the UK and then create the Paris, and here I am insert the New York. Okay, it's New York, and last one I am create for this the country name for the England. Okay, so now inserted for into the country name, and now I'm use for the for loop, and here I'm the condition created. So first of all I'm use the let method and create the my key. Okay, and of for use the my map dot, it's the key for K for capital word. Okay, the my key for is a my map dot for the keys, and here in the parenthesis, and now create the curly braces. So here not inside. Now I'm use for the console dot log method, and here I am insert from the my key value. Okay, so here completed for in this code. Okay, so in this session I am completed created the most important method for the math method. Okay, so now save this code and just going for into the terminal, and here I am type first is the node and then type for the file name for array.js. Okay, so now I'm hit the enter. So this the output for the printed for the key 1, key 2 and key 3. Okay, okay, so now show for the key. Okay, and because I'm just screen show for the country name. Okay, so now I'm change for in this the for condition. So here I'm use simply for the value. Okay, its value, and then now change for in this for it's not key. So here I am use for the value. Okay, it's a values, and now I'm insert for into the console dot log. Here I'm insert from the my value. Okay, so now complete in this code and just save, and here I'm going for the terminal, type for the node for array.js. Okay, so now hit the enter, and this is the output. So first is print Bangladesh, UK, Paris, New York and England. Okay, so this is the output. So first time insert from the key. Okay, in this the key is a total 5 key, and now I am print for the output is the output for the Bangladesh the country name. Okay, so in this the output. So I hope you enjoy in this the arrow method for the React. Okay, so thank you for watching.